Alright guys, what's up? I just figured I'd make a YouTube video showing how to do this because I guess I'm not the only one who's had this problem. Uh, Swapping the transmission out on a 98 325 IS. Um, so I was getting stuck on this dowel pin for the starter. So I looked up how to do the starter, and you have to do it from underneath the intake manifold. So you'll see down here, you'll see where the starter, that's where the dowel pin goes, and then you have a starter bolt on that side and another one on the other side. That's down there underneath the intake manifold. And one person said to go under there, put a bunch of extensions on and smack it with a hammer a couple times, thread it halfway and smack it with a hammer a couple times. And as you can see, I'm doing it on jack stands in my tiny garage here, so space is a little bit of an issue. So I figured probably be best and easiest to take the intake manifold off too. So for anybody doing a transmission in the garage in a tight space on jack stands, that just might be something to consider. It's a little easier. I had to use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer a couple times and just whacked it off that dowel pin. It was on there pretty good. I guess I'm not the only person who's had this problem. So you can see it right down there. That's a good picture of it. At first it looks like a broken bolt, but it's really not. It's just a dowel pin. So if you're having trouble getting your transmission out of your E36, that's how to do it. The other video I saw was pretty straightforward on YouTube, but nobody really touched base on this part. So I figured if you know, if you do it yourself or like myself and you're doing it on jack stands, and you know, this is a lot easier. Manifold's really easy to take off. It's only like a couple of those, and they're like right there. A couple sensors and vacuum hoses and whatnot. Just be careful. There's a couple on the throttle body that have coolant in it. I made a little bit of a mess doing that. Right, I hope you liked the video. Hope it was helpful, and see you guys later.